Is coconut oil good for your skin? Maybe you've used it as a stirring agent for coffee or as an ingredient in baking. You might be familiar with it from the way it stirs coffee or as an ingredient in baking. But could this oil that's derived from tropical palm trees have a place in your skincare fridge as well? As far as natural alternatives for skincare go, coconut oil has been a recommended choice for a while now. It's natural, has a soft texture and smells like a dream, but is it actually worth the hype? In short, yes, coconut oil can be beneficial for your skin. But that doesn't mean you should lather it all over. What is coconut oil? Before we get into the do's and don'ts of this natural oil, we should go over some light chemistry of what coconut oil actually is. Coconut oil is a plant-based oil that's extracted from raw coconuts. It's highly saturated, and if you've used it for cooking, you may have noticed that it goes from a solid white substance at room temperature to a clear liquid when heated up. Benefits of coconut oil for skin. If you're looking for a natural body butter, look no further. The main reason many people reach for coconut oil is because of its moisturizing power. But what makes coconut oil so alluring? About 65% of coconut oil's composition is medium-chain fatty acids, and they're partially the reason why coconut oil is beneficial to your skin. Based on what dermatologists and research studies have found, certain medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid and linoleic acid are the heavy hitters in coconut oil. Soothing dry skin. Linoleic acid is an unsaturated omega-6 fatty acid that's also commonly found in products like canola oil or vegetable oils. So, if you're prone to drier skin, coconut oil may become your new best friend. By repairing your skin's barrier, it can help lessen the amount of moisture your skin loses. Treating mild wounds. Coconut oil may even be worth including in your medicine cabinet. Lauric acid, found in many vegetable oils, makes up 49% of coconut oil and has antimicrobial properties. So, while it can't treat intense wounds on the surface of your skin, it could help with soothing milder skin lesions like scratches or razor burns. Should you use coconut oil on your face? Coconut oil works as a moisturizer for your body, especially if you have dry skin. But that may not be the case for your face. Side effects of using coconut oil on your skin. It's hydrating, yes. But that means it can do its job a little too well and clog pores and cause acne breakouts, especially if your skin is more on the oily side. Not only that, but it can also increase blackheads and whiteheads, which are the dreaded warning signs of inflammatory acne. In some cases, there is also a risk of coconut oil causing melia, a condition caused by clogged pores that leads to tiny white or yellow bumps on your skin's surface. This is more likely to happen on parts of your body where your skin is thinner, like under your eyes. So, it's best not to overdo it in those areas or just avoid them entirely. If you're not sure what your skin type is, talk to a dermatologist. How to use coconut oil. Here are some ways you can incorporate coconut oil into different parts of your skin care routine. Body moisturizer. This is the primary way to get the most out of coconut oil. After showering or bathing, apply coconut oil to your body to help hydrate your skin, keeping in mind the cautions noted above. Makeup remover. while you should still be wary of applying coconut oil to your face. Lip balm. Are your lips constantly dry and irritated? Coconut oil can also be a natural chapstick. The hydrating properties can do wonders to keep your lips moisturized throughout the day. What type of coconut oil is best? One of the best things about coconut oil is that it's natural. To get the most out of it, you'll want to use pure, unrefined, cold-pressed coconut oil. This is because cold-pressed coconut oil doesn't use heat in the preparation process and maintains more of its nutrients. But even though it's natural, coconut oil isn't for everyone. But it could be worth trying if you're looking to add a hydration boost to your skin without any added ingredients or chemicals. To start, apply a little to your body while avoiding your face or areas that are sensitive to acne. Take it slow and monitor your skin and how it reacts to it. If you're interested, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.